Well, the sun is setting. I think this is the first, it might be the first sunset video I've had over here since the first day of summer. So today is 4th of July, so we're in June 21st was the first day of summer. That was the summer solstice. But we've had a lot of overcast, so I haven't really been able to get when I've been down here, I haven't really been able to get a picture of the sun setting. But because of the overcast, and even today it's overcast. But so we're beyond the longest day of the year. That was June 21st, the first day of summer. So the sun has already started to move a little bit back towards this way, but it takes a long time before it's back over here. I mean, when I say a long time, it'll still be like this for a while during summer. Most of all the summer, it sets over the water. And so we're in July, August, September. September 21st is the first day of fall. So the sun, for most of that time, the sun sets over the water. I'm not sure when it creeps back down this way, but it's kind of fun to watch it move with the season as the earth tilts. The sun really doesn't move, the earth tilts. It's a little birdie. Oh, there's the moon. There's the moon on 4th of July. There'll be some fireworks in about an hour. All over the beach, all over Dare County. The moon. Pretty cool. Hope you're having a wonderful day. You're telling what you're doing. But it's peaceful here. I hope you're finding a peaceful spot. Nature brings us calmness and comfort. 4th of July is Independence Day for the United States. That's the day that we declared our independence from Great Britain in 1776. And I was born in 1976, so that was 200 years. The year I was born, 1976, was 200 years after the Declaration of Independence was signed. And so this is America's birthday. Very special. I love you.